Welcome everyone from our YouTube channel. Today we will try to tell about how to make money from online. There are several ways to make money online, and the internet has opened up a plethora of opportunities for people to earn a decent income from the comfort of their own homes. Here are some ideas that you can explore. 1. Freelancing. Freelancing involves providing your skills and services to clients on a project basis. There are many freelance platforms where you can sign up and offer your services, such as Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr, and more. You can provide services like content writing, graphic design, web development, social media management, and more. 2. Online surveys. Companies are always looking for feedback on their products and services, and they are willing to pay for it. You can sign up for online survey sites like Survey Junkie, Swagbucks, and Toluna, and earn money by completing surveys. 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique referral link. You can sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale, and promote products through your website or social media. 4. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can offer online tutoring services to students. There are several tutoring platforms like TutorMe, Chegg, and Skooli that allow you to sign up as a tutor and start teaching students. 5. Selling digital products. If you have a skill like writing, designing, or programming, you can create digital products like ebooks, courses, or software and sell them online. You can sell your products through platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, and Udemy. 6. Stock photography. If you are good at photography, you can sell your photos online through stock photography websites like Shutterstock, iStock, and Adobe Stock. You can earn a commission every time someone downloads one of your photos. 7. Blogging. If you have a passion for writing, you can start a blog and monetize it through advertising, affiliate marketing, and sponsored posts. You can use platforms like WordPress or Blogger to set up your blog. 8. Dropshipping. Dropshipping involves selling products online without keeping any inventory. You can sign up for a dropshipping platform like Shopify, import products from a supplier, and sell them through your website. 9. Virtual assistant. Many business owners and entrepreneurs need help with administrative tasks, and they are willing to hire virtual assistants to help them. You can offer your virtual assistant services through platforms like Upwork or Freelancer. In conclusion, making money online requires effort, dedication, and persistence. However, with the right skills and resources, anyone can earn a decent income online. Try out these ideas and see which ones work best for you. Good luck. Thank you very much for being with us. Click the subscribe button next to get the best videos.